In US, we have all heard of the company called Affirm and Afterpay. Right? If you look at Afterpay, it's a 6-week payment product. You pay 25% upfront, and then you pay 25% after 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and 6 weeks. Right? That's how it adds up. It's a very clear payment product where affordability is not really the feature. Of course, you're paying payments over 6 weeks, but affordability is not the real solve that is needed at that point of time. What is needed is a convenient payment solution. On the other hand, if you look at Affirm, right, it is a 9 to 12 month affordability product. So you will, if you want to buy a Peloton bike of $1,000, you will never buy it on Afterpay. You'll always buy it on Affirm. Now let's come to India. Right? There are so many flavors of the same product here in India. Bajaj Finance, the pioneer of BNPL, is primarily an affordability solve. Zero cost EMI. You are going to buy a Samsung fridge at Proma, you will pay over 12 months, zero cost EMI. Right? That's right squarely in the affordability bucket. On the other hand, if you look at Ola Money Postpaid, Simple, Lazy Pay, right? You are paying for your taxi rides, for your food on Swiggy, Zomato, on Big Basket, and you are paying after 15 days. There is no affordability if you're paying after 15 days. It is all about convenience. Because a credit line has no second factor authentication. Because you can do one-click checkouts with Simple, Lazy Pay, Ola Money Postpaid. It is all about convenience. So two extremes. If you look at Uni, right, our product, which is called Pay One Third card, which is a Visa card, works everywhere, Visa is accepted. Automatically, all your transaction gets split into 3 parts, paid over 3 months, right? No extra cost. And if you can pay the entire amount end of month 1, you get 1% reward. What I'm offering to the customer is flexibility. So proposition of Uni is completely different than either Zest Money or Bajaj Finance at one end and Simple, Lazy Pay at the other end. We're right in the middle offering flexibility with meaningful lines. So this is how BNPL just differs. Anybody can make up any definition and create a brand new innovative product. And that's the beauty of BNPL.